Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I will show how to use MiMo Pro 2.5 in OpenClaude. So let's dive into Google and search for OpenClaude. After searching, go for the first link, which is the GitHub thing. So this OpenClaude is an alternative for the cloud code. So just copy this command, open your CMD, and paste the command and just hit enter. Now let it get installed. That's it. Now it requires some updates. Just copy the given command and run it by just copying it and paste it and just click enter and it will automatically get installed. Yeah, everything is get ready. Now the OpenClaude is ready. Let's close this window and let's create let's copy this OpenClaude, that command which we used to start the OpenClaude. Now let's create the temp folder. Yeah, now open it and CMD. Now here let me resize the window. Now just give this command OpenClaude and yeah, right, you can see here. Now go for the providers, / with the provider. Yeah, here you can see you can manage every API. Now click on add provider. See, GitLab Open Gateway is providing a free MiMo Pro. Now click enter. Now you can see the free model here, MiMo Pro 2.5. Yeah, it comes with 1 million context. That is very important. And click on done. Yeah, that's you are ready. That's it. No login, no required, no nothing, no API. Just click hi. Now let us see. That is responsive. It is very responsive and. Let's give a big prompt and you can see on the screen it's a very big prompt. Now let copy this prompt. Okay, now paste it here. So you can see it's plus 153 lines of prompt. Well it able to be cooked or not? See, yeah, the temp folder is empty. Now it should create index.html file. The prompt is designed in that way. So basically it will create a landing page. So let's see, it's cooking and in a wonderful way. Let it cook. And even guys, the API is very fast. This is not API, this is a free provider, and at present they are providing it free and unlimited. There's no limitations. Now the prompt is completed. Click on yes. Now let it give the description what happened and what it has coded. For the video tutorial purpose, I will fast forward this video. Now you can see it has created the index.html file. Sorted for 3 minutes 39 seconds. That is good. See, the file is ready. Let's open this. See, it has created a wonderful website with the animations and with the text animations. Wonderful. Even the blocks are very clean. Even we can tweak it more and more, and every feature is working. Wonderful. Let's see the responsiveness of the website. It's very responsive, and this way you can create any project. At presently they are providing free. So when you can see the GitLab is providing we'll go to GitLab official's Twitter handle. Here you can find every model limitations, and even they will provide free models every week. You can see over here. They will provide multiple models. For this model there are no limitations, so explore this MiMo Pro completely for free, and that is very official. You can see even they are providing different models. You can check their official Twitter and even follow our Axe AI Labs tweet on the Twitter, so for this type of news, and subscribe to our Axe AI Labs for more this type of AI videos. And see, even you can see over here the text is animated and everything is well and good. And thanks for watching this video, guys. I will catch you up in the next video. Do subscribe Axe AI Labs.